hiccups. She got the hiccups.
I got a peacock. Cool. Isn't it great?
Cool. What does it do?
It's there to be decorative and look pretty and aesthetically pleasing.
So what do we need a day bed for?
Oh, for all your napping.
Honey, I took one nap. I did it for 2 minutes. I didn't even shut my eyes.
You okay?
Yeah, what's in the bag?
Answer to our prayers.
Crest gave one friend Crest 3D white strips and the other a white strip. Here's what you thought. I can't tell if the face white.
Oh.
Well, the white strips worked. Yeah, the paste didn't do that. Crest white strips work on a deeper level than paste. Whitening toothpaste only removes surface stains.
Daddy
White strips
taking a
go
picture
below
of you?
the surface to safely
A
remove
video?
deep stains. It says they whiten 25 times better than a leading whitening toothpaste. Crest 3D white strips.
She doesn't
My
like that.
hiccups had lasted so
Yeah,
long.
to whiten in just 1
Okay.